Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Here I am today on Robinhood. We're doing some dividend investing. As I've said before, investing just $100 a month for 40 years will make you rich. So I'm taking that to the next level. I'm doing $100 a week into Robinhood. And I think that should accelerate my goal into dividend investing. Now, a lot of these companies have been down today, but they've recovered some, so that's good. Now, one of the ones that I was looking at before is down, First Energy. Okay, they're an energy company. You can see over the last year, they got hit hard, and they haven't really recovered yet. So you can see up here, they were around $40 or so, then they got hit. Now they're down hard, and they're coming back. All right, dividend yields about 4.4%. Reasonable. You can see their earnings really took a dive as well in that time frame. So here's what they're all about. They do transmission, generation, a lot of energy, regulated distribution. They're basically a utility, right? Operating company. So this is good, right? Energy's not going away. Electric cars are coming up. They're going to need a lot more energy. These guys, they're going to get it from these guys, right? They're going to be involved in distribution, all kinds of stuff, right? You can see they have a wide and narrow moat. Okay, Morningstar. There's the bear argument, bribery charges. Okay, yeah. Okay, it could be a problem. But that's an event, right? So here we go. I'm gonna make a trade on this guy. I'm gonna buy $100 worth. And there we go. Now I'm gonna enter that. It's going into my portfolio. I'm not gonna make systematic investments on that. There we go. Let's go back here. See some of the other stocks that I'm looking at. Starbucks, Coke. We're going to get another REIT. Realty or Triple N. Not really sure which one. Whatever comes up. So these are some of the stocks that I'm looking at. Alright, so you can see here, FE. Just made it before the bell. So awesome. Alright guys, if you have any other questions or issues, let me know with this company. I'm interested to hear what your thoughts are on this company and on dividend investing in my strategy. Anyway, thanks for watching. Really appreciate you guys coming out, learning about dividend investing, especially everybody who's new. You probably want to use the link below to my Robinhood and get a free stock, because that's a really good deal. Can't beat that. Remember to subscribe to my channel to the daily options trade, a little bit more advanced, as well as dividend investing and wealth building for the future. Smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Thanks for watching.